Hey guys, hello and welcome back to episode 9 of Science with Miss Chen. In today's episode, we go on a super cool field trip of some sort, and I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. But before we can go ahead and go there, we need to actually go ahead and address our learning objective. So the learning objective today is I can observe a pond picture and identify the needs and characteristics of a water lily. But actually, instead of looking at a picture, we are going to go look at an actual pond. Moving into our think about it. Think about, are the plants in this pond ecosystem living? If so, what are the basic needs? Go ahead, pause the video and turn and talk with your parents. What are some basic needs of a pond ecosystem or a pond plant? Alright friends, jumping into our activity, we are going to go on a field trip. So go ahead and pretend to get your hiking boots on, put on your pretend sunscreen, put on your pretend hat, because we are going to go outside. Bring along your pencil and your paper, because I'm going to actually have you guys write down some notes when we're exploring outside, okay? Alright, I will see you there. Buckle up and let's go. Hey guys, as you guys can see, we are not in my house anymore. We are actually at the Houston Arboretum and Nature Trail. And the reason why I brought you guys here today is because I am on a mission to look for a very specific plant that we are actually going to study today here at the Houston Arboretum, okay? So go ahead, get your hiking boots on, and let's get to it. I can't wait to see if we can find this plant. Friends, we are here. Ow, I got attacked by a tree. We found the plant that I was looking for, but before that, I found this awesome sign that says, "Be Gator Safe." Cool. Alright, besides that, what I want you guys to look at here is the lily pads. And looking at the lily pads, I want you to observe and write down what you see. Let me get my notebook real quick. Okay. Ooh, there's fish down there. Okay, so looking at this lily pad. Whoa, there's a huge turtle. Okay, so looking at this lily pad, write down the needs of these lily pads. So think about your plant needs. Okay, once you wrote that down, go ahead and determine if the water lily is living or non-living. Alrighty, we are back in my house, and I hope you guys had so much fun. I know I definitely liked going outside because it was nice to kind of get away from my house, and it's a new background, it's a new space. Anyways, moving into your understand it. Your understand it is that plants are living organisms with basic needs. These needs typically include food, water, air, and space to live and grow. Air, water, and light help plants make their own food. Nutrients from the soil help keep the plant healthy, and space gives the plant enough to grow. So yes, the lily pads that we saw at the pond were actually living. They have a stem underneath the water and roots that are deep in the ground. If you guys ever get the chance, I highly suggest that you and your parents go to the Houston Arboretum and Nature Center. It's free, it's super cool, there's a bunch of different trails, and you guys can actually go and see the lily pad pond for yourself, okay? That's it for today's lesson. Down below is your interactive learning link. Go ahead, follow that, and write down what are some plant needs, okay? Thank you guys for joining in, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.